Shipping and delivering within the invoice system. The tracking number. When you are in the invoice system, the first relevant field for shipping and delivering is the tracking number. Inside the tracking number field, you can enter any field from UPS, Federal Express, etc. Automatically, when you click the red action button to the right side of the field, the tracking number will be searched on the internet. Below the tracking number fields are a series of fields that are used for shipping and delivering invoices. The fields. Delivered. This field is for the delivery date. If you click on it, a dialog would pop up with the dates on it. You can select the date the invoice of the merchandise was delivered. Shipping cost. The shipping cost can be entered in two ways, either automatically or manually. You can have a table with the different costs based on the zip code. That is, if you have a shipping cost list. How to create a shipping cost list. Click the Ship Cost button with the Shift key. The invoice delivery cost will then be displayed. The shipping via is the way you can send the package. If you click on it, you will see some defaults such as UPS, Federal Express, etc. You can increase the list from the default values in the Shipping Via field by going to the Setup section, where you can add and modify the selections. Ship date. This field is used for selecting the ship date. Once this field is clicked, a pop-up calendar will display. Delivery assigned to agent. This is where the agent assigned for the delivery is filled in. Clicking the field will show lists of the agents. Note that the list can also be accessed from Agent Privileges under Setup. Paid. This is the field where the delivery of the payment of the invoice is marked. Once the paid field is marked, it means that the delivery is paid. Once the paid field is marked, a note verifying that the delivery has been paid is printed in the note below the fields. This note is important in case there is an unchecked field later on, but still the note will remain for auditing purposes. Terms of the invoice. In this field, there are default values that you can select using the pull-down menu. However, you can still type on it directly in some other cases. Print date. For this field to work, the statuses of the invoice should be invoiced and not quotation. Add date. This field is used for promotion or marketing and not related to shipping. However, if you have a date and if the invoice is related to a marketing campaign, this will be the date of the campaign. the keywords and referred fields. Keywords. This field is where you can type any keyword that will relate to an invoice. Referred. This field is where you can type words that are related to a business or a group that can also be related to the invoice. This field is who you refer in this invoice.